It's that time again. We have $2,001 bills that we're going to search to see if we can find ones that are worth more than just face value. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure. Welcome back to the channel. 20 straps of 100 bills in each, 2,000 bills to look for. We'll be checking the serial numbers for anything that is rare. We'll also be checking for any star notes, any bar notes, any web notes, any printing errors, and any old notes. If you're new to bill collecting, I have a ton of resourceful links down below in the video description. And if you like my mat, I have a link to that as well down below. And I'll even put a quick link to it right here. We're going to be doing strap recaps at the end of every strap. I'll show you any good bills and any close calls. And of course, with 20 straps, we're hoping for 20 or more star notes. And if we get any that are rare, we'll check them at the end of the hunt in the star note lookup site, also listed down below. All right, I'll see you guys at the end of the first strap with the strap recap. Well, strap number one has been hunted and it started us off fantastically. We got 2 star notes. We'll put those to the side. As a quick reminder, I will be checking those at the end to see if any are rare. We also got a Series 1988 A note, and you want to check those for what's known as a web note. We're looking for that printing plate number to be above 1 next to In God We Trust, not below. I already flipped it. It is below right there, so it's common, but I do keep the older bills, so we'll keep that one. And we almost had a radar. A radar is when the first 4 numbers bounce back. 8058, 8078. Needed that 7 to be a 5. Just a close call. We'll send it back. 3 keepers. First strap down. Starting off well. Let's see what we get in strap number 2. Strap number 2 was another good strap. We got our 3rd star note. We got a fancy trinary note. Trinary means it's made of only 3 digits in the serial number. And had that second 25 been one place to the left, it would have been a nice repeater as well at 2500, 2500. But it's still a cool note, 250, 00, 250. I don't normally keep trinaries, even though they do fetch some value. But in this order, I think it does fetch some extra value. We'll hold on to that. And then we had another close call, almost another radar note, 3351, and then reading it backwards, 3311. So close, yet so far. 3 star notes, a fancy and old bill, only 2 straps in. Come on, strap number 3. Keep the streak going. We're not done with strap number 3 yet, but I have to bring in, because we have a pretty rare bill. You want to look at your 1963 B notes for what's known as the Joseph W. Barr Treasury signature note. He was only in office for a short amount of time. In that amount of time, some bills were printed. There was a lot of them printed, but they've become kind of a collector note, if you will. Even though you can find nice ones out there for pretty low price, they're still collectible. And here we go, 1963B, Joseph W. Barr. This is my 3rd or 4th time finding a Barr note ever. And it's nice to see, holy cow, we are off to a great start in this hunt. Let me get back to strap number 3. I'll give you a strap recap, and actually we'll put that to the side. We'll include it in the recap. All right, I'll be back when I'm done with this strap. All right, we finished strap number 3. Got star note number 4. You saw the bar note. We also got a 1993 older note, hoping for another bar note, but it wasn't. I checked it. It is not the web note. The printing plate's in the wrong spot, but we still hold on to the old notes. And then another almost radar, our 3rd almost radar. 5105, and had the last digit been a 5, it would have been 5105 again. Close call, not keeping it, of course, but we got 3 keepers. Let's keep this going. Come on, strap number 4. Strap number 4, star notes numbers 5 and 6. Holy cow, this is a great set of bills so far, and I'll make a quick mention. I went to 2 different banks this time, both Bank of America's, 1,400 at one bank and 600 more at the other to make 2,000. Not sure exactly which banks they were from. Threw them all in the bag, but this is what we got so far, and it's looking good. Let's see how strap number 5 treats us. Well, strap number 5 was somewhat of a quiet strap. It only gave us 1 star note, but take a look at the star note it gave us. Series 2013 B, and it's within the duplicated star note series that the Treasury mistakenly put out the exact same serial numbers on certain 2013 B Series star notes from both Fort Worth and from Washington, D.C. This is a Fort Worth note. I'll be plugging it into the duplicated star note site. I have that information down below. You can check it out, but that is a good find. Even star notes in this condition from this run with the duplicated serial numbers run between $20 and $30 a piece. Although I don't sell them, I collect them, I put them in the spreadsheet and hope that someone finds the matching one. All right, that's a great star note. We'll put that up there. We'll cover that in the recap as well. They're not rare as far as print runs and stuff, but they're rare as far as people want them to keep a hold of them. Strap 5 is done. Time to move on to strap number 6. Strap number 6 was our first strap without a star note, but we still have 7 over there. That being said, we did get a 1995 note. I did check. It's not the web note, but again, it's still 1995 and older, and I do keep those. Hopefully strap number 7 treats us a little better than strap 6. Strap number 7 gave us our 8th star note. It also gave us another older bill, a 1981 note signed by Donald Reagan. We'll take that. And another close call. This is what's almost known as a mixed ladder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. It's more of a mixed ladder, broken ladder. That's why it's a close call. Had the 9 been a 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with an 8 at the beginning, it would have kept it all day. I might keep it anyway. It's somewhat fancy. Again, it's a broken mixed ladder. Not as collectible, but man, that's a nice run in the center. You know what? I'm going to keep it for now. It's pretty fancy, and we need fancy serial numbers. 3 keeper notes in strap number 7. Let's see how strap number 8 does. Unfortunately, strap number 8 was a skunker. The best notes on top. It's a trinary note, has all the right numbers, just not in the right order to be a radar or a repeater. Still a cool bill, but I'm not keeping it. Hopefully, strap number 9 can get us back on the fines. Strap number 9 got us back on the fines. 2 more star notes. That makes 10 now through 9 straps. Yes, it's a B series, but it's a 2017 A on this note. We also got a birthday note, 2018, December 15th. Of course, this person would only be 6.5 years old or so at this point, but maybe somebody has a child or a grandchild that matches the birthday, so we'll be keeping that. And then another trinary note that was a close call, needed that 0 to be a 1. It'd be only 1s and 5s. It's kind of cool, but it's crinkled up. I'm not keeping it. I'll be sending that back. We will keep these 3, however. And now we're the last strap to be halfway done with the hunt, and I'll give you guys a mid-strap or mid-hunt recap after that strap. Strap number 10 was a fun strap and a great way to end the midpoint of the hunt. We got star note number 11. We got another older bill, 1995. Not the web note. Printing plate number's down there. It's got ink, but I'm going to hold on to it. We got a 5 of a kind, 5 in a row, and actually 6 of a kind with the last 4. Not a lot of value in 5 in a row, but I keep all bills that have 5 numbers in a row, whether it's in the middle, the back, or the front. We'll be holding on to that one. It's fancy enough for me to hold on to. We got a slight miscut bill. I keep miscuts if there's one of the borders or more not showing. There is a little bit of that border showing, but I wanted to talk about miscuts. It's definitely a miscut, just not miscut enough that it would fetch any additional value. I'll send that one back. And then almost a true binary note with only 2 digits, and true binaries are when they're only 0s and 1s. And man, that 9 messed it up. Would have been a great note. Probably has some value regardless because it's still a nice trinary, but I got enough fancies for now. It's not fancy enough. It's not in great enough condition. I'll be sending it back. So now after 10 straps hunted, 11 star notes, 4 somewhat fancy serial numbers, and 6 older bills. Holy cow. And I'll make a quick mention in case someone already put it in the comments. I know the birthday note is not in the best order, but it's still in an order that works. That's why I kept it. 10 straps down, 10 to go. If these second 10 are as good as the first 10, we're going to have a heck of a hunt. Strap number 11 gave us 2 more star notes, our 12th and 13th of the hunt. Come on, strap number 12. Strap number 12, 2 more star notes, 14, and 15 now through 12 straps. Let's keep it going with strap number 13. Strap number 13 gave us star note number 16. It is a 2013 B series, but it's outside of the duplicated serial number range, unfortunately. Anything over 9.6 million is outside of it, and this is 15.1 million, but still a cool note. We will take it. It also gave us another 1995 bill. Unfortunately, yet again, not a web note, and a somewhat fancy bill. It's a trinary, 030000202. Lots of zeros in there. Wish that 3 would have been a 2 to make it more of a cooler note, but it's not. I don't keep notes like this, although it's a close call. What do you guys think? Is it something that you would keep? I'm not going to keep it, but just want to know in the comments down below. All right, 13 straps down. Moving on to strap number 14 now. Unfortunately, strap number 14 was a skunk strap. The best note is a trinary note on top. Wish that one was a 3 or an 8. It's not a keeper. Come on, strap number 15. Get us back on the goodies. Strap number 15 gave us 3 star notes. 17, 18, and 19 now for the hunt. We have 5 straps left. 1 more star note, and we've got 20. Let's get it now in strap 16. Strap number 16 did not give us our 20th star note, but it gave us another older bill, this time 1977, signed by Blumenthal. We'll take it. We like the oldies, but we need 1 more star note. Let's go strap number 17. Strap number 17, we got star note number 20. We got another 1995 bill, quite a few of them in this hunt, but not a web note. And a cool bill, you guys probably saw it on top. Not a keeper for me, although it was close. 169, 16919. Had that last digit been a 6 for 169, 16916, maybe, but man, just not fancy enough. It's not a flipper note. Ones don't allow you to flip them properly, but it is a cool note overall, although it's got the bank stamp right there. Not going to keep it, although some probably would. We'll be sending it back. 20 star notes, another oldie, 3 straps to go. Anything else as far as star notes is just icing on the cake. Strap number 18, star note number 21, and another series 1988 bill. Not a web note, but it is cool because it has the X at the end, and there was a time that people used to collect the X notes. Don't know if they still do, but either way, it's an oldie, and I'll be holding on to it. All right, 2 straps left, 21 star notes. Can we get some more? Strap number 19, no fancy serial numbers, but 2 more star notes. We now have 23 star notes with 1 strap to go. Holy cow. Definitely my record as far as star notes to straps in a while, and we'll take it. Let's see if we find anything else in the final strap of this 20 strap hunt. Strap number 20 did not disappoint us. It actually gave us 3 more star notes, 26 star notes now for the hunt, and another old bill in terrible shape, an 88A, not a web note yet again. Holy cow, 26 star notes, a ton of older bills, some fancies, although we ran out of fancy luck here in the second 10 straps, but I'll take what we got. Let me do this. Let me plug all of these 26 star notes into the star note lookup site. That way we can see if we have any rare ones, and then I'll bring you back with some thoughts about those star notes, as well as some final thoughts on this 20 strap bill hunt. All right, we have finished plugging all 26 star notes into the star note lookup site. We have 3 more rare ones, and of course the B series from the duplicated star note range is considered rare, so I had that flipped up as well. 22 common star notes, and star notes in these circulated conditions sell for about $2 to $3 a piece, so we'll be holding on to those and put them in the collection. We have 2 from 2017, these F series. They're above 16 million, which means their print run or their run size is only 250,000 or 250,000 printed, but the total printed for the whole range is 10.9 million. So very rare on one scale, not even close to being rare on the other scale. Puts them about an extra $1 or $2 in that condition. The 2021 A series only has 640,000 printed, but 4.3 million total printed for all of the A series. So again, somewhat rare on the run size, but not rare at all on the total printed. Makes it worth an extra buck or two as well. I went ahead and input this B series star note into the duplicated star note site. I have that site listed down below. Now it's a waiting game. Hopefully someone finds the other note and we can marry it up for a matching pair. 26 star notes in 20 straps is definitely my record and my record finds in a 20 strap hunt. Although I have found 13 or 14 in a 10 strap hunt, but still this is my record for a video by far. On top of that, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 old bills ranging from 1963 B, which was a Barr Note, pretty much one of the finds of the hunt as well, all the way to 1995. And I forgot to put that in date order. I'll fix that. And then finally, 4 somewhat fancy serial numbers. I'd say we did really well in this 20 strap hunt. One of my best strap hunts ever. Maybe I should go back to that bank and try my luck again. We'll have to see. If you guys enjoyed this $2,000 $1 bill hunt today, you know I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting and thanks for watching.